for which Galileo is famous? A. Developed the telescope. B. Discovered 4 satellites of Jupiter. C. Found that the swinging motion of the pendulum results in consistent time measurement. D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Though, when the first Afghan war took place in A. 1839, B. 1843, C. 1833, D. 1848, the answer is A. 1839. 3. Ecology deals with A. Birds, B. Cell formation, C. Relation between organisms and their environment, D. Tissues. The answer is C. Relation between organisms and their environment. 4. Which is the largest island? A. New Guinea, B. Andaman Nicobar, C. Greenland, D. Hawaii. The answer is C. Greenland. 5. Which one is the hottest continent? A. Africa, B. South Asia, C. North America, D. Australia. The answer is A. Africa. 6. What do koalas usually eat? A. Bamboo, B. Eucalyptus, C. Aloe vera, D. Banana. The answer is B. Eucalyptus. 7. What is the most popular bread in France? A. Brioche, B. Baguette, C. White bread, D. Ciabatta. The answer is B. Baguette. 8. What is the official currency of Japan? A. Won, B. Yuan, C. Yen, D. Dollars. The answer is C. Yen. No. What is the phobia of thunder and rain? A. Agoraphobia, B. Ombrophobia, C. Acrophobia, D. Claustrophobia. The answer is B. Ombrophobia. Thus, what does carpe diem mean in Latin? A. Enjoy the moment, B. Have no fear, C. Sorry I blew it, D. Hello. The answer is A. Enjoy the moment. 11. Which one of the following countries is not in Africa? A. Morocco, B. Yemen, C. Sudan, D. Algeria. The answer is B. Yemen. 12. What is considered the lung of the earth? A. Amazon rainforest, B. The Mississippi River, C. The Sahara, D. Everest. The answer is A. Amazon rainforest. 13. Where does the sushi come from? A. Japan, B. China, C. America, D. South Korea. The answer is A. Japan. 14. In which century the Mona Lisa was painted? A. 18th century, B. 15th century, C. 16th century, D. 14th century. The answer is C. 16th century. 15. Who wrote the Great Gatsby novel? A. Leo Tolstoy, B. Hemingway, C. Stephen King, D. F. Scott Fitzgerald. The answer is D. F. Scott Fitzgerald.